Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is Gas Diesel Garage, and in today's episode, I'm going to do something I've never done before. So stay tuned. Guys, if you're new to the channel, thank you for being here. If you enjoyed the episode, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. So in today's episode, what we're going to do is, I always wondered if you can get a good car paint job by just using spray paint. Yeah, got all the stuff I need. I need my sandpaper, got my clear, I got my primer, and I got my paint, and I got my little piece of wood so I can block sand all this stuff. So yes, I looked at a lot of YouTube videos on how to do this stuff. I have some fiberglass doors that I need to lay some paint on. Let's see how it turns out. Now what I have to do is we need to primer these things up and sand them on down and get that smooth finish. By the way, I'm not a painter. This is all trial and error for me. And yes, these are going to go on my Corvette. But see, I'm not so worried about the paint being that good because it's going to get a livery wrap on it. So I don't know. I'm just curious as to how this stuff will turn out. So let's get started. Gonna hit this thing with some 400 grit sandpaper, start getting some of these high spots off, and see what we got from there.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
Okay, we sanded it with 400 grit sandpaper, but then we primered it again. So what we're gonna do is just wait for that thing to dry for about 20-30 minutes. And yeah, as you can see, got to lay down another coat to get the full coverage of this door panel. So we'll just come back in 20 minutes and we'll just have to put the second coat on, then probably the third coat, and then sand it and get it straight. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and do that. Of course, I'm impatient, so we're gonna help the process by heating it up just a little bit.
I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts...
course, since I'm doing this outside, I don't really have, you know, a baking oven that I can slide this thing into, so that's why we're using the heat gun. And this, you can see by the way I'm dressed, it's a little cold out here in Virginia. It's like 15 degrees. Okay, maybe not that cold. 34 degrees. Anyways, it's still cold. Okay, now that we sanded it down after we primered it for the 3rd time, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with that color, and we're gonna hit it with some black matte finish. So let's go ahead and get on to it. Okay, we're gonna let this stuff dry for a good 30 minutes, and then we're gonna hit it with the 2nd coat. Okay, we got all 3 coats on the doors now. Now what we gotta do, sorry for the glare there, we gotta let this stuff sit for 24 hours, and then we're gonna wet sand it a little bit, get some of the tiny little imperfections off, and then we're gonna hit it with that clear. So see you in 24 hours. Okay, we're back 24 hours later, and I don't think it was that bad actually. Take a look at it. Yes, I am not a professional painter. I expressed that in the beginning of the video. So now that we got the paint all cured over 24 hours, what we're gonna do now is go ahead and clear coat it, and then of course let it dry, and then we're gonna wet sand it. So but like I said before, this is not gonna be the exterior paint that's gonna be shown off in front of the world, because we are going to wrap my C4 Corvette in a color that I don't think has ever been done on a Corvette C4 Corvette 1984. And let's just go ahead and clear coat it. I'm going to use some of that Rust-Oleum clear enamel. Alrighty, that looks like crap. That looks like crap also, which led to what I thought all along. I am a crappy car painter. That's why I leave it to the professionals. So guys, if you're looking at this video for a how-to on how to paint, don't listen to a damn thing I said. This was some experiment that I wanted to try. Because like I said earlier, this car, this C4 Corvette that I'm working on, it's going to get a custom wrap. And it's going to be awesome. So until then, I hope you like, subscribe. Don't share this video with your friends, family, neighbors, cousins, uncles, and all that stuff, because this episode ain't worth it. But like I said, see you next time. Peace.